Excellent. Awesome. So I thought I'd spend some time just showing you a little bit of how the Community Central functions, because I see Mr. Michael Richards isn't able to figure it out, so I thought I'll give you a quick tour. How this works essentially, for those of you guys who have logged in, you should be able to see on the top right a couple of buttons. One, you can create post. I have no idea, this is a moderation button. There's your notifications, and so on and so forth. When you all join in, you're asked to sort of give an introduction about yourself in the welcome thread, aptly titled Hello World. And one of the things you'll notice is that this post is actually sponsored or is written by Megan Cannon, by Megan Cannon for the Mojaloop Foundation. Meaning, your organizations can have profiles on Community Central. I'll show you what that looks like here. This is the Community Central page for the Mojaloop Foundation. Any one of you people can have it. We just need to know who the admin is, and we'll create it. And we can add people to the team. And so here there's Megan, there's myself. We can see the number of posts published. So if you wanted to, you could make formal announcements using your organizational page. And you have details in there, your Slack, your GitHub, your emails, how to reach out there, and the 2 pages that are in there, which is great. I just got a notification. I think that's from Tom. He mentioned me in a post. So one of the things you'll realize about posts is they're all listed by tags. They're all categorized using tags. So those tags are what you can see highlighted there: mini loop, low cost, deployment. And the editor is in Markdown. We'll upgrade that soon, but it's got really cool features like code blocks and so on and so forth. And I can come in here and I can make my comment and submit it, or I can come up here and either give it a like, a unicorn, an exploding head, raising my hands, or fire. So I'm going to use the fire emoji just because I can. Or I can jump to the comment section, or if you'd like, you can save this to come back to it later. Where most people seem to be getting lost is in the creation of posts. So everything you'll see, I see Justice, thanks for putting up your presentation up there. I would encourage you guys, those of you who have done presentations, if you're looking for feedback or having discussions, feel free to just post the link in there and have people chat about it. But one of the things, the other things I wanted to show you is creating a post. So we can say new title post here and say, this is a test. And where most people seem to be missing is the tags. So here you can actually add a number of tags. So I'll say, for example, I'll use the design authority tag. I'll use the mini loop tag. I'll use the events tag as well. And I'll just write test, and I will click publish. And if you want to add, you can add images or add a cover image, whatever makes the most sense for you. I'll just go with that as it's uploading. So the cover image shows up on the homepage. So if you want a little colorful homepage, you can do that. So you can change it or remove it, whatever makes the most sense. And once you hit publish, it's good to go. You've got your cover image, you've got your tags and all that stuff. So one of the things, yes, and you need to fill out your profiles. I'll show you that in a second here. So whenever you come back to the homepage, you've got 3 ways to navigate. You can see relevant content. Right now, the welcome thread is a pinned post at the top, and others. So when you pick relevant content, it will prioritize the posts that have cover images. So I would encourage you guys to spend some time on that. You can filter it by the latest posts. You can filter it by top posts, however that works. And on the right-hand side, you can see certain tags and whether an item is new and so on and so forth. So let me go to the DA tag, which is this one. You'll see this is the tag page. Some of you are clicking on the DA tag and you're getting a 404 error. It's not a 404 error, Michael. You just forgot to tag your post. And once you tagged, anything that's tagged with that tag will show up here. And this is one of the most powerful features of this platform. If you're following a particular topic or a particular group, you can literally click the follow button up there and you'll get notifications for any posts under that particular tag. So think about it as, subscribing to the things you're interested in, and the ones you're not, sort of drop it, and so on and so forth. I'll delete this post later, but Michael, now you know how to add a tag.
Can I just say something?
Yes, you may.
You'll probably call me an old-fashioned mother, but I don't think any website should be called 404.
We can argue about that. Yeah, Greg.
I can understand that if you've got an old link which refers to...
Yeah, no, I hear you.
You expect a 404.
I hear you. Thanks.
What is it? What is this behind the scenes?
This is actually, proud to say, an open source tool called Forem, F-O-R-E-M. So, yeah. The last thing I want to show you is what my page looks like. Or your individual pages. You can customize everything, including the banners and all that stuff, your email address and positions, your comments, published posts, the organization you belong to. So again, this has a lot of flexibility built to it. You can follow organizations, you can follow tags, you can follow people. Whatever is most relevant to you about the community that you're interested in, just find the tag, find the person, find the organization, click follow, you're good to go. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what you guys have up. Yeah, go ahead, Michael.
Can I still ask the question?
Yeah.
What happened to my old DA?
What happened to, all right,
What
yeah.
happened to all my old documents?
Is the microphone on?
Hello?
Yeah, now. Should be on.
Hello?
Yes.
Sorry. So what happened to all my old posts and things like that in the DA channel, for instance?
Awesome. So some of you posted in the previous tool that we're using, Discourse. We have all that content, and we'll be uploading all the content, all the old content, including previous Design Authority minutes. So all that stuff will go on here. So don't worry about that. It's the next step. So maybe by next week or the week after, you will have all your minutes. Are you satisfied? You're very welcome, Michael. You're very welcome. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what you guys do with this. I'm just looking at the chat here. Yeah, the link is in there. So again, I do encourage you, spend some time. We are happy to create organizations for the organizations that are here. Admin has to do that for now. And then once we have created organizations, just tell us who you want to give admin rights to your organization page, and we'll grant that to you, and you can add your team members and all that stuff. So we'll make sure there is high people in there, Infitex, TitsaWorks, FRMS, COE, all the folks. We'll make sure that everything is in there. We'll give you access to the admin pages, and then you just run off and manage that. You don't need any permission from us on what to post and stuff. The last thing I want to mention is there are 2 levels of membership here. All the community governance leaders, that's if you're in the community council, the design authority, the change control board, will be moderators. So we'll give those moderator access level so that you can actually help moderate posts if there's need to. But we're a pretty straightforward community, so I don't think there is. But that's just one extra little perk for joining taking on the leadership role. Excellent. Thank you so much, everyone. So hopefully that clears up everything, and then we can, Michael can now post his posts in the correct tag.